Dan from Port Orange, Florida, has an irrigation irritation.
Man alive, does he? He found this water inside where the blocks meet the slab.
Okay.
That doesn't look good.
Well, no water inside the house is good.
That's right. Well, unless it's in your bathtub.
That might be true, yes.
So Dan writes, I dug a trench around the house, but there's no standing water. But after a little time, with the wall exposed, he noticed water seeping through the mortar, and he wonders if water has somehow penetrated that block and it's trapped in the block, and he's thinking maybe I should drill holes to drain it before I seal it. So Dan wonders, would a French drain help?
Well, that's all over the place. First off, I doubt it filled up with water, the cavities in the block.
Yeah.
If it was filling up with water, let's say it did, and it would take time for it to drain out through the hydraulic pressure, that means you got a bigger problem somewhere on top of the wall.
Up top,
okay,
yeah.
So we need to get that to stop happening. Then it eventually will drain out. I wouldn't go drill a hole. If you wanted to drill one for fun to see if water started pouring out, I guess you could. Because
it's a good time.
You can patch it with a little putty and paint it.
That's nothing but fun, drilling holes in your house.
But that has nothing to do with a French drain. And a French drain is used all the time. It's really not. There's a lot of different types of drainage systems. A French drain is one of many. But if there's a drainage problem and water sitting by the house, then of course you have to drain the water away. Just like you would in a basement situation or anything else, you have to drain the water away. So if that's the case, then yeah, a drain system will definitely do the trick. But as far as the blocks being full of water and going around drilling a bunch of holes, if you want to do one test hole, fine. But if you have blocks filling with water, that means you got a problem up above because it's pouring in those cavities.
So you're saying first thing you have to do is find the source before you start fixing the problem.
Always. You have to know what the problem is. So many people try so many different things. They try sealing the outside, sealing the inside, putting in sump pumps, doing all this stuff, but they never find out why the water's there. And so that's going to be, and it's always the hardest. Once you find it, it's usually pretty easy.
It's a snap.
But that's the hard part, is finding the problem.
We take the hard part out of getting things done, too. You just send us your question. You get an answer just like that. Bam. Go ahead and send it to us at HomeShowRadio.com using the Ask Tom form there at HomeShowRadio.com.